Alright, 3-cup tofu or sanbei tofu is a Taiwanese-inspired tofu dish using their 3-cup sauce. First up, we have firm tofu that I've frozen and thawed twice. This allows the water inside of it to expand, which creates air pockets that weren't normally there, making a lighter, spongier texture that you can see here. See this bulge on the top? We're going to press that down with something heavy. I'm using a cast iron pan. Just let it sit for like 15 minutes and then squeeze out all the water. Preheat your oven to 350. Admire the texture as you tear it into relatively big pieces. Cover that in some cornstarch, shake it up a bit to evenly coat the best we can, and then add some neutral oil. Get out a sheet tray and some parchment paper, cut it to size because any overhang triggers my OCD. Like when baking anything else, we're going to give them some personal space and transfer to the oven. Now this will take roughly 25 minutes at 180°C or 350 Fahrenheit. Just check it every 10 minutes. Using some bruised basil because everyone deserves love. And really, there's no measurement to this. Just add as much or as little as you like. I think that a little bit is important just for some color. Then we're going to use about 2 inches of ginger, which I'm going to trim up and then peel in an unnecessary way because I'm trying to get better with my knife. Slice thinly. Take note that I'm doing all this while our tofu is baking because we need to be overlapping tasks to be efficient. Get about 4 cloves of garlic out, smash those, struggle to peel them because I refuse to get better at this somehow. After removing the root end, we're going to take our time thinly slicing some garlic. Don't over-obsess over the thickness, they just need to be thin. Moving on, we're going to get all of our ingredients we need for our sauce, which is sesame oil, Shaoxing cooking wine, and soy sauce. We're going to use equal parts of those 3 things to make our 3-cup sauce. Using a wok over medium heat because it allows us to use a lower quantity of oil. You know, every time we see a wok, it looks like it's over the backside of a jet engine. We're going to be using some sesame oil here and it burns at a very low heat. So we're going to keep it low and just slowly caramelize our aromatics. And as soon as they are looking good and slightly golden, we are going to add some sugar. I mean, I never said this was going to be a healthy dish. It's just vegan, okay? We're going to make a slight caramel. And then once we're happy with how thick that is, we're going to add our Shaoxing cooking wine to not only drop the temperature of the pan, but to prevent everything from burning. Add our soy sauce. Get out our super crispy tofu. As this is reducing a bit, we're going to add a touch of cornstarch, and I'm not going to use that metal spoon so it doesn't hurt your ears like it did mine. We're going to add in our tofu once things are nice and thick, and we're going to toss to combine. After a few tosses, it'll get a nice sheen over all the tofu. We're going to add our basil and move around just a little bit more to get some good color on those and to wilt them slightly. Eat that garlic because I couldn't resist. Make sure things are looking nice and evenly coated. And time for plating. I'm going to use some short grain rice here. You could honestly just eat this by itself. It's insane. I just want it to be a little more filling. Honestly, this recipe has been an excuse for me to have vegan meals every now and then for quite some time, and I'm happy to share it with you. Sesame seeds because you know me. Snag the chopsticks. Look at that gloss. Some candied ginger and garlic. Crispy tofu. I mean, come on. And that is it, my friends. I'm dancing because it tastes amazing. I'm wearing my France jersey, so I'm going to talk like this for the remainder of the video. But with all that said, I hope you liked it. Do your damn dishes, like I always say. And like, comment, share, tell everyone you know about my channel. And I'll see you next time.